Hi guys, welcome to our group again today. Today we are working on what letter is that? The G sound, that's right. Let's see how we write a G. Capital G is written like that, and a small g is written like that. Okay, let's see what the G says. The G says G. The G says G. Every letter makes a sound. The G says G. Now the G is also made like the K sound, but on the G sound we turn our voice on, and the K sound we turn our voice off. So remember, our mouth is open, our tongue tip is down, and the back of our tongue has to go up, and we turn our voice on. G, 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 G. See how my mouth isn't moving? See how my tongue isn't going up? I'll come closer so you can see. G, 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 G. See how my tongue stays down? My tongue tip stays down, and my mouth doesn't go up and down. G, G, G. Remember, if you have to use your clean finger or a popsicle stick or something to teach your tongue to hold it down, G, 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 G. That's okay too, because then you're teaching your tongue to say it the right way. So either way, when you say it, tongue tip stays down. All right. Today we're going to do the G sound at the front and at the back of words. So, here's my puppet. My friend, he's a frog. Frog has our G sound at the back of words. Frog, frog, that's my name. Frog, frog, that's my name. What is yours? Is it the same? What's your name? Frog, frog, that's my name. Okay, is the G sound a long or a short sound? Let's try it. G, 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 G. That's right, it's a short sound. Okay, we're gonna do some of our sounds with it. We're gonna do the G at the front of with some of our vowel sounds, and the G at the back of some of our vowel sounds. We'll start with the front vowel sounds first. Let's see how many times we're going to say it today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, we're going to say it 5 times today. Where's my stick? Here we go. Okay, so when we put these two together, that's our ow sound. Ow. So when we put them together, it says gow. Gow. See how my tongue tip stays down? And my mouth doesn't go up and down? Gow. All right, let's try it 5 times. Gow, 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 gow. All right. Here's our next one. It's our E. E, make a smile. E, when we say it. Okay, when we put it together, it says gee, gee. Look how my mouth doesn't move. It stays the same. My jaw doesn't go up and down. Let's try it. Gee, 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 gee. Nice. Okay. This one is I. That's right. I. When we put it together, it says guy, guy. All right, 5 times. Guy, 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 guy. Okay, now we're going to do a few with the g at the end of the word. Here's our stinky sound. Do you remember what it says? Ew, ew. So when we put it together, it says oog, oog. Here we go. Oog, 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 oog. My lips have to go together to say oog, and then my mouth opens to say the g sound. So my tongue tip can touch back here in the back. G, g, oog, oog, like that. Okay, 2 more. Here's our crying sound. Ah, ah. Ag. Oh, see how my mouth can just stay open. It doesn't have to go up and down. It can just say ag, ag. Let's try it. Ag, 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 ag. Last one. Here's our sound. Our up sound. Ugh, ugh. Once again, my mouth stays open. Let's try it. Ugh, 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 ugh. You did it. You did 5 times. Okay, I have my story. I'll scoot up a little bit. It's called The Big Blue Egg. Here's our g on big, and here's our g on egg. Those are both at the end of the words. Let's see if there's some words that have the g at the front of it in our story too. Can you see the pig? Okay, I gotta read it too, so I'll try and show it to you while I'm reading it. One morning, Curly Pig found a strange thing in the farmyard. It was big, blue, and round, and it didn't make a sound. Maybe it's an egg, thought Curly. I'll ask Little Black Hen. She knows all about eggs. Little Black Hen walked slowly around the big blue thing. She sniffed it, tapped it with her beak, and listened. Well, it's round like an egg, and it sounds like an egg, and it looks like an egg, she said, so it must be an egg. Roll it into my nest, and I'll keep it warm until it hatches. But the egg didn't fit in Little Black Hen's nest, and Little Black Hen didn't fit on top of the egg. We'll just have to build it a nest of its own, she clucked. Curly went to find Violet the cow and Pearl the sheep. Together, the animals made a cozy nest out of some of Violet's hay. Then very gently, Curly rolled the egg into the new nest, and Pearl covered it with a soft blanket of wool. Everyone settled down to wait for the egg to hatch. They waited and waited and waited, but nothing happened. Perhaps it isn't warm enough, worried Curly, giving the egg a nudge. Wobble, wobble, oops! The big blue egg toppled out of the nest and began to bounce away. Boing, 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 boing. The egg bounced across the farmyard. Boing, boing. Faster and faster it bounced straight toward the pond. Stop that egg, cried the animals. Up jumped Sheba the sheepdog, just in time. She caught the runaway egg in her mouth and put it gently down between her paws. Hooray! Shouted the animals. You saved it! I've been looking for this all day, barked Sheba. Thank you for finding it. Is it yours? Oinked Curly in surprise. I didn't know that dogs lay eggs. It's not an egg, silly, laughed Sheba. It's for playing with. My puppies will show you. What do you guys think it is if it's not an egg? Okay, let's see. This was our present from the farmer. It's not an egg, the puppies laughed. This is our favorite bouncy ball. Did you guys know it was a bouncy ball? They thought it was an egg at first. Okay, I have one more activity to talk about. When you're at home, maybe you can play the stop and go game, because when you say go, that has our g sound at the front. When you say stop, that doesn't have our g sound, but it's a good sound to practice. We don't practice it in our preschool class, in our speech class, but it's a good one to practice. It has our S in front and then a T right after. So it's stop, stop. You can practice it at home with the game. Stop. See how it goes long at first and then the T right after. Stop. Okay, one way you can do that is you can just hold out your hand to say stop and put your hand down to say go, or you can put your hand like that to say go. So maybe you can have some people lined up, and when you tell them to stop, they have to stop. And then when you say go, they can go. Let's practice it a couple of times. Stop. Go, go, go. Nice. Let's try it again. Stop. Go, go, go. I also thought of maybe you can have different colors of things to say stop and go. Red means stop and green means go. So I have two markers and I can hold up one of them, and whatever color it is, that's the color they have to do. I'm going to hold it up and see if you guys can tell me what if it's stop or go. Are you ready? Go. Stop. Stop. Go. Good. I also got two different towels because this towel is green, that means go, and this towel is red, that means stop. So you can hold up different towels for stop or go, or maybe different pieces of paper or just your hand. So those might be a fun game you can practice and play this week with your g sound, and it's a good way to practice some of our S blends where we say stop like that. Okay, have a great week. We'll see you next week.